The Mount of Olives, the meeting point between the divine and the mortal, by Eric Chamchoum. Welcome, dear viewers. This video explores the profound significance of the Mount of Olives, the sacred ridge overlooking Jerusalem where prophecy, faith, and history converge. It traces the biblical promise of the Messiah's return, the alignment with the Eastern Golden Gate, and the dramatic moment when Ottoman Sultan Suleiman the Magnificent, fearing the fulfilment of prophecy, ordered the gate to be sealed. I dedicate this video to the spiritual leaders of Jerusalem, His Beatitude Theophilos III, His Beatitude Pierbattista Pizzaballa, Archbishop Hosam Naoum, Sheikh Mohammed Hussein, Rabbi Aryeh Stern, and Rabbi Shlomo Amar, whose faith and guardianship uphold the sacred call to peace, unity, and hope in the Holy City. East of Jerusalem rises the Mount of Olives, a landscape where faith, history, and prophecy converge. Its ancient groves overlook the Holy City, bearing silent witness to centuries of prayer and expectation. Across traditions, the Mount has symbolized the meeting point between the divine and the mortal, a place where heaven once opened and, believers say, will open again. In the Hebrew Bible, the prophet Zechariah foretold that on that day his feet shall stand on the Mount of Olives, which lies before Jerusalem on the east. Zechariah 14:4. This vision placed the Mount at the heart of messianic hope, the prophesied site of the Lord's return at the end of days. For Jews, it became sacred ground, a landscape of resurrection. Thousands were buried there in the belief that they would be the first to rise when the Messiah comes. Jesus prayed in Gethsemane, and from here that he ascended into heaven after the resurrection. According to the Acts of the Apostles, angels assured his followers that this same Jesus will come back in the same way you saw him go into heaven. Directly opposite the Mount stands Jerusalem's eastern or Golden Gate, overlooking the Kidron Valley. Tradition holds that the Messiah will enter the city through this gate. Yet in the 16th century, the Ottoman Sultan Suleiman the Magnificent, aware of this prophecy and fearful of its fulfilment, ordered the gate to be sealed with stone around 1541. To reinforce his act, he placed a Muslim cemetery before it, believing that a priestly Messiah could not cross ritually impure ground. In attempting to suppress the divine promise, Suleiman inadvertently preserved it. His wall of fear became a monument to faith, and the sealed gate an enduring symbol of humanity's attempt to resist divine will. Today, pilgrims and scholars alike stand upon the Mount of Olives and gaze towards the silent gate across the valley. Between them lies the threshold of time and eternity. Whether approached through theology, history, or symbolism, the Mount remains a testament to the unbroken dialogue between heaven and earth, and to the enduring hope that no empire, fear, or stone can forever seal. Thank you for watching. What do you think about this video? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.